Yeah, what's on waka yena manyanga is the commissar. So longest subscribe and the kombelo subscriber subscription ya wena koka swinene. So video ya mina namuntlha skis yi tale hanyana. Yi tale hanyana because i khale ni nga post content so kuna swo tala leswi ni twa ngaku there's a need ya ku ni swi cover because swin'wana swa swilo loko swa ha humelela a ni va ni kha ni swi vona. So, those who haven't listened to album, yeah, Uncle Big, go and listen to it. I'll be brief on this, on its analysis because it's a very unique album. Unique in the it needs your ears. Than my opinion. The album it's a mixture of sound album. It's a sound fused album. Tlangwa kumara beta mixed with Xitsonga, mixed with the pop music wa kwala msabeni. So it's kakutiraswa ririmi song. So it's one album which I think not that is one should listen because I believe they might get inspired by that album. It's a very perfect proper project. Then number two, Prince Rhangani is releasing an album. Ngarivali iti 13 kungamdlwana in this project not Mtimbiri kunga featurewa Benny na Joe kuva na rin'we nga na Mansandlen kuva na rin'we nga na Uncle B kuva na rin'we nga na Soso. So by looking at the cover, the track list, you can tell that Rhangani dedicated himself this time because even na mavito ma tinsimu a ma ha fani na the previous projects u kuma ku na mavito mo tala ku waleha. So this time Rhangani went for the real music. Rhangani xilapfala and I'm telling you na hlambanya album ya Rhangani will top the charts a Friday. Top 10 is there. Actually, let me say top 5. Album ya Rhangani tava kona when it comes to Apple Music sales because fan basic kwa poison the power is now back. Vana matimba va yisa lava once. You can even see by the rotation of Prince Rhangani's album. Yeah, this year, last year, only a few were promoting this album. I think Akurimina himself now, not only a few which is associated with, but now you can tell everyone is now aware Rhangani Woma's album because of the marketing power that he has through association. Wanna be not some couples, no Dr. Joe Sharma, and a lot of other people. And the marketing team lead Takulai team ya Makhongelo, which Shobo, Shingayen. Yeah. So let me go to issue number 3. Issue number 3 really. I'm doubtful about my Benita home. I'm still sticking with what I said. Album ya Benny meant by home before the elections. If it happens, so fun you home. I ndago lucky. I'm not counting on it. But so and she teaches because each and every man, very a wise man, changes his decisions here and there. So I think kuna leswi nga swi vona president yi ta humesa because for me it would sound somehow in terms of Prince Rhangani a humesa a project, then 2 weeks later Ben Mayengani humesa another project. It doesn't make business sense. As make sense so if the team if any gonna the chance even if a 4 weeks gap, it's not bad to kufumelela album leyin'wanyana yo associate ku yi tirha kahle nyana before ya yi fika yi teka attention. So I think if I was to give an advice, I would advise ku there's no need ku album ya Benny yo huma sweswiwani. Rhangani should be given a chance to shine and loko humesa album, that's where Rhangani will get bookings. So I believe ku va hlangane futhi back it's ku va ku ri na ku navela ku hinkwavo benefita. So I believe now it's a chance ku va nyiketa Rhangani a chance to actually shine. So I don't think it's a good idea that Mayengani should release the album. Then another thing that I'm about to talk about, Nkombelu nisendele the screenshots to tala hambi va twa nga phone one way. Leswi nga posta Ben Mayengani on Facebook. I think that's clear. Ben Mayengani is dissing Mr. Post, and I've always said, as long as Mr. Post is still relevant, Ben will be still relevant. As long as Mr. Post and Ben Mayengani are relevant and Mr. Post is relevant, there's no better way you can market a swilo than go dress a post for Ben. And for post, there's no better way you can make a swilo than go dress a Ben. That's that's what beef comes with. Beef I and it comes with strategies. It's a strategy of marketing. You want to make sure that the music gets to the people. So Mayengani is using Mr. Post now. I saw that photo. Yeah, wanna know I'm queer look to mean it's obvious there. Benny will look provoking Mr. Post who hopefully he will say something. And if he says something it makes not defense to Mr. Post saying that engage with defense to Ben or Ben Mayengani himself, which she attract more traffic. It's simple. It's a simple marketing strategy that Mayengani used there. Lava he wants numbers through Mr. Post. Umbexana lang singa ku defense ta Mr. Post n'wi rivele ku n'wi avanyisa. So he wants them to go back to him. Va vulavula va kha va attract more numbers. That's what I'm seeing from that post. Another issue one nga vutisa hi yona is ya wa King Tsonga na simple question. Simple questions business structure is simple. It's they give you ku nyiketa mali leyi va twa nga ku u ta kota ku yi endla hi ntswalo. Which I think is also a fair strategy, but ka minkarhi yin'wanyana phela as an artist you must bring people. Mina twa nga ku as an artist if you like to charge 10,000 you must be sure your fan base, people who love your music va nga swi kota ku fika va endlela n'winyi wa ndhawu than 10,000 plus ku endla profit na yena, because you can't be the only one as an artist o endla ku profit mavo na the people who are inviting you must make profit. Va to ka va nga mi byeli ti-artist to ku tala, most of these event organizers or the promoters when they approach them, but they speak realistic amount of money. They speak realistic amounts of money because you can't be taking 15,000 on your munhu because vona ku u nge yi vuyisi through their market. But it is an intro over vambirhi to make sure that they make profit together. Ku na mundzuku ni ta kota ku vuyisa ku info and kombela u vuya the last time it ri kahle ngopfu u ni endleli mali, but it doesn't make sense to actually give someone 15,000 of course and they can endla 5,000 back. And then artists shouldn't say I ntirho wa mina ku tisa vanhu. Why are you being called? U rhamberiwa yini if I ntirho wa wena ku tisa vanhu? U rhamberiwa ku u ta kota tisa vanhu laya va ta endla mali. That's why mina I always encourage artists ku they must grow the social media platforms, because munhu u ta fika a ku byela ku u lava 20,000 for kuma ka Facebook u na 4,000 followers. Oh, and then ka Facebook yaleyo that's the only platform la distributor ku ti-poster ta yena. And kuma ka those 4,000 people la vona ku ti-poster yena, not even 200 people living in area where the event is being done. So that's why I always encourage artists go in for, you must make your a professional Facebook page with followers. Kuna loko promoter or event organizer yi lava ku buka ya cheka ti platforms ta wena i fanele swi twisisa ku munhu loyiwani u ta swi kota ku fikisa i poster leyi ka vanhu, ku ri na loko ku vanhu vo ka va nga ti a va vi va lo tsandzeka because they don't have money, but va va swi vonile ku you are going there because of the power of your page. So Asia King Tsonga na simplification, it's kind of complicated. I don't want to comment ka yona, but it's very difficult because loko ni check live ya King Tsonga ni check na the post that was made by Sekao, the manager ya simplification, and I realized ku it's not a first time and I issue ntsena leyi va vulavulaka hi yona, so swi difficult ku twisisa who was wrong, who was right, but I hope they fix their things. We still need that place in kitchen. We still need King Tonga to be in good shape. Lembe se ra hela halawo nanga na lembe leri taka. Then another album which is out, yeah, Nhlalala Champion, produced by Mambaulele. And not Mambaulele, Mapaitel. I will post it hansi, then listen to it, and then I will do an album review yona the next time I do a YouTube video. We rain and still, but anyways, we aiming as a subscriber and kombela subscriber. I'm rad. Sharp sharp.